Hey, we're back, and today we're talking about 5 reasons to forget the drive-through and pay down debt. If your goal is to get debt-free and use your money for things you want in this life, there are some things you'll need to stop, at least temporarily. Don't fret. When those bills are gone, drive right back to your favorite place and load up if you want. But please, keep track of how many times you flash your card and how much money you'll need to pay in full at the end of each card billing cycle. Let's dive right in, shall we? Reason number 1 is cost. Depending on where you go and what you buy in drive-through lanes, you could have bought the ingredients at the store and made your own just the way you like it for less money. I get it. Part of the pleasure is getting something to consume quickly. But this brings up other issues, doesn't it? Reason number 2 is cleanliness. How is your consumable product handled behind the scenes? Do you assume human hands are always washed? How about after touching a cell phone? Here is a short health tip on this topic written by Stephen M. Lewis, MD, for northwesternmedicine.org. Scroll down for the short article when you get there. Reason number 3 is habit. Have you ever done something without really thinking about the consequences before you did it? Did you regret this boneheaded behavior? You might want to stop and think about your drive-through behavior. Do you routinely visit on a certain day or days? Maybe it's a particular time of day. Is it a habit, or do you truly need to drive down this lane? Some habits should be broken, especially if the money could eliminate nasty debts. Reason number 4 is waiting longer for what you really want in life. Honestly answer these questions. Is this purchase costing me something? Do these purchases add up over time? If I could use the money I'm spending now to pay off debt and then purchase what I really want sooner, would I? If you answered yes to any 2 of these questions, keep reading. Reason number 5. Imagine yourself without debt. Go ahead. See yourself free from large credit card balances. No more nagging bills. No more debt collection calls. No more final notices in the mailbox. Just breathe. Use your imagination. See it. Feel it. Stop yourself from smothering in debt. Roll up your sleeves. Make the decision today. Say this with me. I'm not digging myself any deeper in debt. I'm coming out. I'm coming up. I'm going to do what it takes to get out of money trouble. And it's happening today. As always, these are just 5 reasons to change a learned behavior that is costing you money. Hard-earned cash that could eliminate debt that is holding you back from your dreams. Let this blog get your creative juices flowing so you can use money you already have to banish your debt.